Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. And today in SST we will discuss the question answers of chapter number 18, Industries. We had discussed in this chapter that what is industry, which are the factors that are responsible for the growth of industry, which are the types of industries, and how industry plays an important role in the development of a country. So let's start the question answers of this chapter. So the first question is, which factors, this is the first question, that which factors are responsible for the growth of industries, Which factors are responsible or which factors are important, same thing is there, for the growth of industries. So there are so many factors which are responsible or which are important for the growth of industry. So let's write the answer. Various factors are number one is raw material. First is raw material. Number two, power. Raw material, power, then transport. These are the important factors which plays a very important role in the growth of industry. After transport, the fourth is machinery. Next, fifth is human resources. That is very important, responsible factor, very important factor. Human resource. And the last one is, sixth is capital or money. So these are the factors which are important for the growth of industry: raw material, power, transport, machinery, human resources, capital. After that, the question number 2 is, what are the different kinds of industries? What are the different kind of industries? What are the different kind of industries? Give an example of each. Give an example of each. So the different kind of industries are large scale industry, small scale industry, and cottage industry. So in this chapter we had discussed that the large scale industries are the industries which need a huge amount of money to set up. The number of people, those who are working in that industry, they are also large in quantity or large in numbers. Huge goods or products are produced here. Salary that is given to the employees or to the workers, that is also bigger than the small scale industry. And the example of large scale industries are iron and steel industry, automobile industries. After that, small scale industry. Small scale industries are the industries which produce goods or materials on small scale. They require less capital to set up comparison to the large scale industries. The salary is also given less than the large scale industries, and small things and products are produced in this type of industries. and these industries are toys industry, bags industry, cosmetic industries, utensil industries are example of small scale industries. Next is cottage industry. Cottage industries are homemade industries. These are the industries in which the people are the artisans or craftsmen, those who make different things by their hand, and they belong to a same family, and in their house they run this industry where they make the different things with cane and bamboo, make different things with stone and clay, bangle making, pickles, or the things from the jute or stick, weaving industry, shoemaking industry, sorry, weaving making and shoemaking. These are the type of works that are done in cottage industries. So let's discuss about these industries. So write down the answer. What are the different kinds of industries? There are three main type of industries. There are three main types of industries. There are three main types of industries. So here the first one is large scale industry. Large scale industry. We don't have to give explanation here, we just have to write the names of the different types of industry. So the large scale industry, example iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry. So we will give one example here. Second is small scale industry. Small scale industry. Small scale industry, we will write here plastic goods industry, or we will write utensil industry. And after that the third one is cottage industry. So in cottage industry we will write bangle making and basket making. Bangle making and basket making. So these are the three main types of industries and their examples. Large scale industry, example iron and steel industry. Second is small scale industry, example is utensil industry. You will write plastic goods, bags, toys, cosmetics. Third is cottage industry, that is bangle making and basket making. So these are the three different types of industries. After that, next is third question. And the third question is, what is a cottage industry? What is a cottage industry? So the answer is, cottage industries are home-based industries. Cottage industries are home-based industries. In these industries, in these industries, work is in these industries work is done by craftsmen and artisans belonging to the same family. Belonging to the same family. So this is the cottage industry. Cottage industries are home-based industries. These industries are home-based industries which are established or set up in a house. In these industries, work is done by craftsmen and artisans belonging to the same family. So the craftsmen and artisans, those who belong to the same family, they are very skilled worker, those who make different things with their hand. After that, question number 4. And the question number 4 is, what are the difference between difference between large scale and small scale industry? Large scale and small scale industries. So we will put a partition line first, and here we will write large scale industry. Large scale industry. And here is small scale industry. Small scale industry. So let's write the first point. So we will write at least two points of each. So the first is large scale industry. These industries require a huge amount of money to establish. So these industries require a huge amount of money to establish. Here is the first point. These industries are cheaper to establish. These industries are cheaper to establish. Number 2 point is, in these industries, in these industries manufacturing of goods manufacturing of goods is done on large scale, it means so many things are produced at the same time. The number of things that are produced in this industry, they are large in number comparison to the small scale industry. And here is the second point. In these industries, manufacturing of goods is done on small scale. Yes, so these are the 2 points, the difference between the large scale industry and small scale industry. So the large scale industry, these industries require a huge amount of money to establish. Small scale industries are cheaper to establish. Cheaper to establish means that they don't require huge money like large scale industries. They can easily established even in smaller amount of money. Second point is, in these industries, manufacturing of goods is done on large scale. It means large number of goods are produced in these industries. And in small scale industries, manufacturing of goods is done on small scale. So it means the number of things that are produced in small scale industries, they are small in quantity. A less number of things are produced here. And here is the last question, question number 5. What is information technology? What is information technology? What is information technology? So the answer is information technology. Information technology is one of the most important industries, Information technology is one of the most important industries in India. It deals with computers and the related software. It deals with computers and the related software and hardware. What is information technology? So information technology is one of the most important industries in India. It deals with computers and the related software. And in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, there are the main centers or major centers of these industries. So these are the question answers of the chapter industries. A industry is a place where different kind of things and goods are produced that we use in our daily life. The responsible factors of an industry are raw material. Without raw material, final goods would not be produced. Industry need raw material, then only it can produce the products or objects. Second is power, the machines in the factories that are run on power. Third is transport. Transport is very important to take goods from one place to another place, or to take raw material to the industries. After that, machinery. Machinery plays very important role to convert the raw material into finished good. Human resources, because these are the skilled labor or people, those who work with the machines. Capital or money, it requires to purchase the land, to purchase the machinery, or to give salary to the employees. The three different type of industries are large scale industry, small scale industry, and cottage industries. And the last is the information technology. It is also one of the most important industry in India in this 21st century, and it deals with computers and hardware and software. So this is the chapter 18.